Are there any game applications that offer monetary compensation? They do. In fact, some of these applications have been known to pay out as much as $100,000 to players who are particularly fortunate, although such outcomes are not frequent. If you're gonna be playing games on your phone anyhow, you might as well put down Candy Crush and Wordle and give one of these other games a shot because they offer the possibility of winning real money. So in this video, we will discuss top 4 games from which you can earn money. The video is gonna be very interesting, so make sure you stick till the end. Before we continue to our video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any of our future uploads. Now let's get started. How to make money playing games. You may also be aware of the fact that some individuals generate income by playing video games and publishing videos of themselves doing so on public platforms, such as YouTube. Even if you don't record videos of yourself making money while playing video games online and post them to earn money, you can still make money by playing video games on your smartphone in your spare time. Finding appropriate apps or websites that will pay you real money to play their games and provide you with the opportunity to earn money through gaming requires you to do some research. You should not expect to be paid in cash upfront for your services. Instead, some websites and apps may use tokens that are analogous to cryptocurrencies, or what these websites refer to as coins, which can be exchanged for things like gift cards and the like. It's imperative that you conduct adequate research in order to locate genuine and legitimate applications that will not squander your time. Number 4. Dream 11. The online sports gaming platform known as Dream 11 that enables football supporters to participate in fantasy football for as little as $1. It was developed by Fantasy Sports Info, and there have been more than 10,000 plus installations of it up to this point. When putting together a squad using Dream 11, you have the ability to select individuals to fill various roles, including as attackers, defenders, midfielders, and goalkeepers. Additionally, it enables them to choose a captain and a vice-captain for the team. Your ability to make astute decisions when selecting them will also contribute to the overall improvement of your score. The user is able to follow the live match and track other players' performance while playing the game. There are 2 different kinds of competitions available, with either a large or small prize pool. The players need to have an in-depth understanding of the players from their own country. The novice player has the option of beginning with a lower budget before moving on to play in the major leagues. They can then gradually improve their game and move on to playing larger. Number 3. Long Game. Through an online savings account, Long Game provides you with the opportunity to earn both money and cryptocurrency by participating in entertaining activities, as well as reward by saving money with reasonably high interest rates. First, you save money in the app to gain coins, and then you can use those coins to play a variety of games within the app, such as spin the wheel and slot machines, as well as a fun game that's similar to Candy Crush or clone of the Fruit Ninja. You have the opportunity to earn extra coins or cash up to the maximum of $15,000. You can earn coins to play the game by placing money into a savings account, and you can access those monies whenever you want by a bank transfer or a debit card. This is the nicest aspect of the game because it doesn't need you to pay to play it. It has a number of benefits, one of which is the opportunity to build sound financial habits while simultaneously earning fiat dollars or bitcoins. Customer care is said to be inconsistent, and there is no method to get in touch with a real person for assistance. This is one of the cons of the product. If the game fails, it can be very stressful, but you will always be able to retrieve your funds if you log into the online bank, which is called Aspiration. Number 2. Mistplay. This loyalty program developed for gamers is an app that was released in 2017 as a platform that allows users to earn money by playing video games. Users are rewarded for their participation. Mistplay is an app that is exclusive to Android that provides its users with the ability to compete in online video games in order to earn supplemental income. The gamers select the games they want to play based on a list that's given to them, a chart that includes other players, and also by browsing for deals. Downloading, testing, and playing video games are all activities that could potentially earn you a reward. You will receive $5 for every 1,500 points that you are able to obtain or accomplish. The more you use this absolutely free platform, the more points you will earn. These points can be redeemed for a variety of prizes, such as gift cards from Visa or other companies. Number 1. Solitaire Cash. You probably recall the 1990s, when Windows computers were used to office workers to pass the time by playing solitaire. With Papaya Gaming's Solitaire Cash, you can now take it easy while working for additional cash. Although you can download the game for free, you must pay to participate in competitions and be eligible to win cash rewards. There are numerous solitaire variations available in the game, so you're sure to find one you like. Alternately, you can play the traditional Klondike solitaire game and celebrate like it's 1999 with your winnings. There are benefits to it, such as the 4.6-star rating of the Solitaire Cash on the Apple App Store and the abundance of the solitaire variations available. The fact that this game is only compatible with the iOS and Samsung Galaxy smartphones, not other Android devices, is a drawback. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.